Then you never know what's up hard. The girl them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York. Love worst game a reaction. Girl from Puffy, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, Girls Hill, Gal, Tigo, Gal, Deville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know it's the best representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hear me, man?
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game here with another reaction. Legal conflict. Yes, man. Legal conflict with Dashway. Yes, a Shawn and Khago&Shawn. Yes, Shawn and Khago&Shawn. So, you know, say, all the time they dip on the live and on see me premiere that one, yeah. On also say they bring the artist on the live and the artist all a vibe, listen to the track and thing. So I did say I was gonna do a video. So here is the video now. Before we jump on the video, make a check out the thumbnail though, because I think the thumbnail is very interesting. So we see a garbage truck. So we see two dead body night. Remember, I said this is hold on. Remember, I said this is Khago&Shawn and this. So we see the two dead body night in the thing wrap up in a body bag. And then I go away in the garbage truck. Crucial conflict. Yeah, as I matter. Legal conflict with Dashway. So make a jump in the one and you with the GSA. Let's go.
Crucial conflict. Oh, them a take up war and them not ready for. Them a take up war but them not ready for. When dead and gone, no get no burial. When dead and gone, man dead and gone. Me lines if we kill them, illegal. Lift up my gun and me go step go for them. The whole of them a flip up in a eager for them. Me go see chick up on the cigar one flip. Crucial conflict. Oh, them a take up war and them not ready for. Them a take up war but them not ready for. When dead and gone, no get no burial. When dead and gone, man dead and gone. Me lines if we kill them, illegal. Lift up my gun and me go step go for them. The whole of them a flip up in a eager for dead. Me quiz the chick up on the cigar one free to be make sure.
So the man said the word of them a flip up in a eager for dead. The word of them blood, it's like them life has scratched them. Remember say all time people say when time platinum one they did shoot, you know. So he must say yo them pussy life has scratched them. Alright, what should I do to them? Finesies.
For them, the one dead and gone. Man dead and gone. Me lines if we kill them, illegal. Lift up my gun and me go step go for them. The whole of them a flip up in a eager for dead. Me quiz the chick up on the cigar one free to be make chance. Time me walk I carry feelings cement.
They must say him squeeze the trigger up on the zig, on the zigzag, the zigzag. Him squeeze, I want freed up him make. Yes, because them give them 3 pints because them never scratch him so them come give it to it. Then him say Shawn Storm, I walk on and carry feelings for man. You see me?
Let me quiz the chick up on the cigar one free to be make chance. Time me walk I carry feelings cement. Don't body up you why. Keep it to yourself and go back a GP to your man in a diesel.
So him tell Shawn Storm say yo don't come with no batty blood clot lyrics. Don't come with no batty man thing. Don't come with no looting. Don't batty up the thing. If that you miss, if that you want, better you go back a GP and go back to your man where Yannim did a share sell in a GP. That's what it is, not me, bro.
Crucial conflict. Oh, them a take up war and them not ready for. Them a take up war but them not ready for. When dead and gone, no get no burial. When dead and gone, man dead and gone. Me lines if we kill them, illegal. Lift up my gun and me go step go for them. The whole of them a flip up in a eager for dead. Me quiz the chick up on the cigar one free to be make chance. Time me walk I carry feelings cement. Don't body up you why. Keep it to yourself and go back a GP to your man in a diesel. Your boss run we gone. Left you war for your dead early Sunday man. We go scotch up the men.
Then I say yo your boss which is Cartel. Him say Cartel run we gone. We say Cartel go against with the Cartel in America. So he must say your boss run we gone. Left you in the war by yourself. Left you in the kitchen to stand the eat. With the eat in the kitchen hot. Remember say Cartel done say in a prison the heat hot, but out the road the heat worse. So here is your heat. Cause Cartel gone left you and you there so you can't fly, you not no visa, you not go away. That's how the GSA, not me. Let him say
tell your boss run we gone. Left you war for your dead early Sunday man. We go scotch up the men. I saw me love you one, so me love you one.
They must say yo early Sunday morning, brother. When time you think your peace and safety early Sunday morning, you know, I'm easy. Easy like a Sunday morning. He must say, yo, and that I go and I buy and I go get in a Sunday morning. I must say so on me.
That early Sunday man because catch up the men. I saw me love you one, so me love you one. Me girl dem me take the pay boy, my red touch it on. 2 fucking years on. Shoulda listen when your mother talk. No fist start one, man each up a band.
Your 2 ears hard. Oh, your ears so hard. Thick back in your ears. You what happened to you? Oh, you're so tough-headed, eh? What happened to you? You should listen when your mother talk to you. You see it? No, look on your body bag going the back of rubbish truck. Furthermore, oh, you start war with man and you're easy to catch because you always there buy a drink. You drink and get raw. I'm drunk and start going with a bag of things. You don't know yourself when you're drunk. You are not you when you're drunk. That's what you say. You go dead. Mommy. 2 fucking years on. Shoulda listen when your mother talk. No fist start one, man each up a band. And so we love you one, so we love you one. Don't try this bass comics and nothing good that one. Me not do farming, me full boy up a can. So he must say, yo, don't try this bass comics. So that line wasn't for Shawn Sam anymore. So he's now onto the cargo segment now. So he must tell us don't this Bascomex, yeah, idiot. Like Bascomex are the Dan Dada, big up Bascom. Bascomex are the Dan Dada in this. You can't this Bascomex and me no shoot for Bascomex because in a cargo song, cargo say, yo, he must go over Portmore, go shell long Bascomex. Ends. So he must say, yo, that can't go on, yeah, idiot. It never go on. I don't try this Bascomex and nothing good that one. Me not do farming, me full boy up a can. Me not do farming, me full boy up a can. So the line there, he might tell you, remember say Khago, do farming, remember say Khago have him chicken thing when him sell him chicken them and kill him chicken them. Remember say Khago, we see Khago always post him farm and thing. Big up Khago for that. So he must say, yo, we not do farming, we full boy up a can. What does farmer plan? Can, alright. A grandfather, you look a one. You can't walk with it and enough. Step aside, pussy when nobody enough. Running on your blood clot, place drop, but me know everything damage up now. Man say, yo, Khago, you can't worry with Deverbad. You can't worry with my Dan. Him done a Deverbad. You can't worry with my Dan. You're an idiot. You're not ready for this. Step aside, brother. Step aside. You're not ready for this yet. A grandfather, you look a one. You can't worry with it and enough. Step aside, pussy when nobody enough. Running on your blood clot, place drop, but me know everything damage up. No bone and get no bone fracture. Fi patch it up. Running on your place, drop bomb in a brother. That just a drop bomb in your place in a dog. You see me? So he might tell us, say, yo, no boy. When he mean no boy, I mean doctor. The doctor then not go get no bone for bandage up. No. Smithereens. Yeah, go disappear. That's what the G say. That's why we have stop, right? Let's go. Early man in your face, boop in a pipe, boy, drop flat pan him. Boy, and get no bone fracture, fi patch it up. Early man in your face, boop in a pipe, boy, drop flat pan him back and them a look in the sky. Hold on, that bar there know. So I did ask him about this bar on the stream, and he said, member say one girl leave forward or come say Khago a fighter if he eat the buff. So he must say you are early morning, your face drop boop in a pie. You understand? After you get the shot them Khago, he must say yo, your face gonna drop boof in your girl crutches, cause that's your depend. That's how the G said. If you patch it up early man in your face, boop in a pie, boy, drop flat pan him back and them a look in the sky. We at there, but you say dog, look in the sky. Me like that. To me, the party are one of my favorite lines at the thing. Listen to what I'm saying again. Pie, boy, drop flat. No bone and get no bone fracture. If you patch it up early man in your face, boop in a pie, boy, drop flat pan him back and them a look in the sky. Once man sit dead with them eye open, I look up, them drop flat pan them back. Imagine that. The man say Cartel, not about Cartel. The man say Khago, drop flat on him back and look up in the sky. You understand? And then him repeat the same line again in a different way. Listen. You patch it up early man in your face, boop in a pie, boy, drop flat on him back and them a look in the sky. We at there, but you say dog, look in the sky. Him say wait there. Like, that line that did too bad, he have to ask himself, no, wait there, what you say? And then him say it again. Drop flat pan him back and them a look in the sky. We at there, but you say dog, look in the sky. Him never kill a fly and him look in a fight. I saw me. You never kill a fly, but you look in a fight. Oh, you brother, you not reach from them lyrical level here. That's how legal I said to Khago, yeah, so. There, but you say dog, look in the sky. Him never kill a fly and him look in a fight. I saw me love you one, so me love you one. Me girl dem me take the pay boy, my red touch it on. 2 fucking years on. Shoulda listen when your mother talk. No fist start war and each up a band. I saw me love you one, so me love you one. Don't try this fast comments and no good that one. Me not do farming, me full boy up a can.
A grandfather, you look a god. Boy, them nah do no evilest man, but long time and them only bad for 3 minutes. Me pull up on them black, look how me deal with it.
Man say, yo, them boy are not doing a crime. Them are virgin trigger finger. Them not bad. Them just suppose with gun. Them not bad. Them not doing a crime. He must say, yo, him bad long time and Khago only bad for 3 minutes. No, him never say Khago. Him say, them boy here. So Khago&Shawn from him attack. Them say, yo, them bad for 3 minutes. Them bad this young.
Man do no evilest man, but long time and them only bad for 3 minutes. Me pull up on them black, look how me deal with it. Knock it on my gun and drop because I agree with it. Smooth.
Man say knock it and him gun now go drop because he agree with it. Him and him gun agree. Them agree together. They were meant for each other. They become one. You understand? Yeah. So now go drop him gun.
3 minutes, me pull up on them black, look how me deal with it. Knock it on my gun and drop because I agree with it. Smooth. Anyway, me go for boy, no care which part. New killer they up on him black, tell him to keep calm. Keep calm on the rifle, kick stamp. Them a killer, them wicked and witchcraft. I saw me love it one, so me love it one. Me girl, yeah, me tap up the boy, my right touch it down.
Him say them killer ya, wickeder than witchcraft, wickeder than obia, wickeder than kusu.
I saw me love it one, so we love it one. Don't try and this bus come, it's not good that one. Me not do farming, me full boy up a can. A grandfather, you look a gun. Lift up my gun and me go step go for them. The whole of them a flip up in a eager for them. Me quiz the jigger pan is a one freed up. He make chance star me my walk. I carry feelings cement. Don't party up your wall. Keep it to yourself or go back a GPT. A man in a the cell. Your boss on me gone. Left your wife your dead early. Done them man because can't stop them.
Big up Legal. I love that rhythm, man. Honestly, I love that rhythm, man. Legal, big up yourself. Solid track. Clarity peak. Dep on the rhythm, bro. You have keys to the yo, bro. You're sick, bro. You're bad. So I think the G need to get him run. The G also have other songs out on him channel. So you can go check out the G. You see me? Yes, you can go check out the G, man. Him have other songs out on him channel also. He's not just he's not a clash artist, but he might defend the thing you don't know, cause him not gonna make no man step up on MG, which is never bad. You understand? I try if you step up. Now I say them a step up, but yeah. So big up legal. Big up yourself. You see me? Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. So I'll see you guys down there. Alright? Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more binds span them and do what? Def them.